Hello and welcome to another Sunday morning on the Salt River. The Granite Reef Recreation Area is opened up. Been fully renovated. Has newly paved roads, 120 vehicle spaces now. 8 picnic tables with grills. 3 new shiny new toilets. Some new dumpster areas. Some panels to information panels and better sidewalks and stuff for wheelchair people. So it's been closed for about 6 months. I just wanted to come down and check it out, see how it looks. And it's very nice. It has actually 3 boat ramps to get out, which is nice. There's one of the dumpsters, and that's sort of like the concessionaire's boat ramp. I guess they do large rafts get taken out there. That's why you can drive a car down there, and it has a gate in front of it. There's some picnic tables which are unshaded, at least at this time of day. And they have 3 new pit toilets. And there's nothing quite like the smell of a freshly painted pit toilet. It's just really nice in there. And it does have the vacancy, no vacancy signs on the locks, which is nice to have. And this is, I think, the middle boat ramp that you can take out at. There is a stand-up paddleboarder taking out there, and they kind of put rocks along the sidewalk. You can kind of sit on them. There's some more unsheltered boat ramps there, or picnic tables. Like I say, it might have shade in the afternoon. So there's some areas that picnic tables that are shaded. Some more trash dumpsters. And walking toward the upstream side of Granite Reef over here, we've got another boat ramp and some more little information boards. You can look at stuff on there, which it's all blank right now. Red Mountain off in the distance. It was kind of sometimes difficult to get out here, your boat, but they've kind of put these ramps in. It makes it a lot easier now. Just walking through the parking lot. It's starting to get full, actually. People are actually using it. People had to park along the Bush Highway, but it was time to get paddling. I got the boat locked up to a sign out there at Fondy Sutton. Got on the old Walmart Huffy and headed to the parking lot. I think this place only had about 20 parking spaces, and now it has 120, so it's helped out a lot. There are some handicap spots which are good to have. I notice the picnic tables are closer to the river, which is kind of nice. Trees have been trimmed back quite a bit. I think they've lost a few, but take the good with the bad. Getting up this hill on an e-bike isn't too bad to do. And there's some people with some really expensive road bikes struggling, but just kind of fly up this hill like it's nothing. Made the turn off to Fondy Sutton. Got into the parking lot, and time to unlock a kayak and get the boat launched out there. Fondy Sutton was starting to fill up pretty fast too. Usually this is a spot I'm taking out at, not putting in at. And there's a few people down here doing graduation photos. And some other photos. I don't know what they're doing, but a lot of photography going on. So, got the boat, sat down at the river and started my paddle. It's only about, I think it's about 450 flowing in on the Salt River. It's kind of low. There's not a lot of water left in the reservoirs. It's kind of the drought's getting bad. So some of the project's not releasing much. They're pumping a lot of groundwater. So it's about 450 on lower salt, about 150 flowing in on the Verde. So it's makes about 600 at this spot, which is it's enough water to get you downstream. The Verde River flows into my right. Say it's not flowing in very strong because there isn't much flowing up there. But it's a peaceful section of river, a lot of trees. A few fisher people out there. Some blue herons. But because it doesn't really ever dry up here, the grass gets pretty thick at the bottom of the river. Didn't see any horses at all. I think they're supposed to be kind of eventually be moved on. You don't see too many down here anyways. It's the Salt River Pima Reservation off to the right. And got some new graffiti on the old dam over here. Every year it's something different. Few kayak fisher people out here. I'm sure they're happy about being able to launch their boats a lot easier. Don't have to drag it across the bush highway anymore. And some stand-up paddleboarders. This area is kind of popular with stand-up paddleboarders because it's pretty much a lake in here. There's a Granite Reef diversion dam which diverts all the water into the canals. You can kind of see Granite Reef off in the distance there. There's starting to get busier. You do see some people still parked along the highway because that's what they've always done. But here's one of the boat ramps, which makes it easier to get out, but it's kind of clogged with a little bit of reeds. But overall, a nice day at the river. You know, it wasn't too hot, not too cold. A little bit of breeze, but not too bad. Took out the lower boat ramp. But try to get out Memorial Day weekend. Thanks for watching.